Yesterday, I was at a meeting with a bunch of other entrepreneurs and business owners, and one question that I keep hearing all the time, and they were all asking it is, should I just not go build my own CRM with AI instead of paying for software? On the outside, it looks like, hey, a great deal, a great opportunity to do that. But the reality is it still costs a lot. It might actually cost a lot more than the subscription fees you're paying today. So why should you care as an owner? These things are tempting with AI, very tempting. The subscription costs on everything is going up, especially recently. AI makes it sound like you can build it yourself and feel within reach for the first time. It's a fair question to ask, but the excitement in the room skipped over the real costs that go along with this. If you've had this exact thought for this year, you're not wrong to consider it. You just need to run the numbers before you commit. In this video, I'm going to go through the 5 steps of things to consider as you're evaluating whether or not AI is the right approach for your business on taking AI to do CRM or whatever else it might be. So step 1 is understanding that AI it's a real. The hype is genuine. It is true. It is actually something that is going to help you do a lot of things, and it could actually help you build CRM. In fact, companies that I own are actually going down that path, but they also have the internal resources to help them do that. But it's definitely real, and it's definitely a powerful tool that you can leverage in your business. Now, step 2 is getting into the security gap. So where companies fall into this trap is without real technical know-how, what gets built can be riddled with security holes. Usually not because the AI wrote bad code or anything like that, but it's because nobody in your team actually understands to check for the gaps that comes with security and actually buttoning down the hatch when it comes down to risk assessment for business, for data, and for security and connectivity. So it's really important that you actually have people that understand how the application is being built, where the risks lie, and actually understanding how to mitigate them as well. Asking an AI to go build something for you is great, but actually understanding the intricacies that go along with that is quite critical. Step 3 is the real cost of getting there. The credits, the tokens, all the costs that go into building and refining something like this can run into tens of thousands of dollars. That number needs to be weighed honestly against the subscription's ongoing cost, not against just 1 month. The reality is that, yes, AI is easy to get into, but the costs can go up substantially and get into the tens of thousands as you're building out and using more and more tokens and resources. The reality is that it might not actually on the outset look like the actual right solution from a cost perspective. Step 4 is considering who maintains the code after. AI can't just maintain it for you. You still need somebody to oversee, manage, and understand what's going on with the application and evaluating where improvements need to be made, but also if there's security patches, if you're using open source tools, open source libraries, different code bases, or different technologies. All of these things have constant updates. It's no different than the update you get on your iPhone or your Android phone on a regular basis. It's something that needs to be overseen by someone, and there's costs associated with that, not just for, as we talked about, tokenization and credits with the AI tools, but you have to pay someone to actually do all this too. Now, step 5, the honest upside of everything here. If done properly, it does give you one stable database for all of your business data. So it's not scattered across various 5, 10, 15, 20 different tools. You can actually have it centralized into your own system. That's a real advantage that you could have as an IP within your own business, if the numbers actually support it, of course. So I leave you with this. Should I go and build my own CRM with AI? It isn't a yes or no question. It's a spreadsheet question, really. Run the actual numbers, the credits, the tokenizations, the cost for people to do this. Yes, you don't need to hire a team of developers anymore like you would have 10, 15 years ago, but you still need to actually have people overseeing and managing these things and the ongoing maintenance that goes along with the infrastructure costs. If you have servers and equipment that go along with it, keep that in mind. If you're weighing this decision right now, these are the same questions that other business owners just like you are looking to answer. There are lots of opportunities at AI out there. You can build your own CRM. You can add new plugins into your CRM. You can do all kinds of things with AI. And there's lots of opportunity for business owners out there. If you like what you heard today, click below to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.